Here I have a fake positive pregnancy test that I'm going to prank my husband with for April Fools. The first thing we're going to do is get some water in a bowl that's clear, and you don't want any more than 10 milliliters, and then I'm going to add my dye strip to it and wait till it changes color. Next, I'm going to take one of my test strips and put it into the water up to the line. I stuck my strip in the water for about 5 seconds, then I set it on a clean surface and waited about 5 minutes for the results. As you can see, the result is positive, so now let's go prank my husband.
Baby! April Fools.